Hi friends, I'm going to show you how to do the pattern center during math centers in our digital classroom. Now from the math room you're going to click on patterns. It's going to bring you up some blue words. Click on that and it will bring up Fuzz Bugs patterns. Click on the play button. It's going to give you patterns at the top, and you're going to use the fuzz bugs at the bottom to complete the pattern. So I look at the pattern, red, white. Now I am going to click on a fuzz bug, hold down my left click button on my mouse, and place him on top. Now I have red, white, red. Grab another fuzz bug and put it in the right one. And I can keep on going. And that's it. Hope you have fun.